Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up issue management on the web app. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go into project setup and then issues. Once we're in this issue setup page, we're going to be given a couple options. So the first is going to be setting up our defect rounds throughout the job. After we set that up, we'll then set up the approval workflows and then lastly the automated due dates. So first of all, I'm going to set up two defect rounds here. The first defect round is going to be called Builder 1. The second defect round is going to be called Client 1. Now, what I want to do here is make sure that every time someone creates a defect with either the Client Round 1 or Builder Round 1, I then have the automated approval workflow set up for that defect. So for this first one, for Builder 1, I want to make sure that Visibuild is the automated reviewer every time someone creates that defect. So if I go into new approval workflow here, I'm going to then select defect Builder Round 1, which we just created, and then it's going to pre-select Visibuild as that first reviewer. I'll hit create, and then that'll come down through the approval workflows. The next one I want to do is for the client round. So if I go into defect Client Round 1, I want us as the builder, Visibuild, to be the first reviewer. I then want it to go back to the client once we've reviewed it. So if I search in the client here, I'll select them next and then create that. Now that we've done that, I want to make sure that every time a defect or an issue gets created on Visibuild, I want 5 days for the due date to be set to. Once I create that, that'll now be ready to go. The next thing we're going to do is show you how to filter for these defect rounds. So if we go into the top of the location tree here for Visi Place, we're then going to go into Visi Type, which is an issue type, which is a defect, and then defect round. A pre-selected one we already had is Builder. This is now going to show me all of those defects created under the Builder defect round.